Is it the right time to make a decision about Arcutis Biotherapeutics stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Arcutis Biotherapeutics. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 29, 2024. And now, we're here to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis and not miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 13, 2023, our system has ranked Arcutis Biotherapeutics as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 8.16. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 154.62% since we first listed Arcutis Biotherapeutics as a buy candidate 31 days ago. This translates to an average return of 4.99% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken a strong short-term upward trend and shows indications of an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, support can be found at the previous trend's broken level of $4.66, presenting a potential second chance for growth. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 133.33% change over the next 3 months with a potential return ranging from 35.23% to 79.59%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a -70.55% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -100.00% to -70.55%. This corresponds to a projected price range of $0 to $1.78 after 12 months. Our latest update for Arcutis Biotherapeutics brings some interesting news. On Monday, the stock price showed high volatility, eventually closing at $6.06. During the last trading day, the stock price of Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. rose by 14.34%, going from $5.30 to $6.06. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains. It's quite uncommon for stocks to experience such a consistent upward trend, so we should anticipate some declines in the coming days. On Monday, the stock price fluctuated between $5.07 and $6.08, representing a 19.92% variation. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 66.48%, with an increasing volume of trading. Approximately 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to a total of 11 million shares, valued at around $64.80 million. Let's take a broader look at Arcutis Biotherapeutics stock performance. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached $17.57, while the lowest was $1.76. Currently, the price is 65.5% below the 52-week high, which amounts to $11.51. Furthermore, it is 85.18% below the all-time high, which was recorded on March 20, 2020, when the stock price reached $40.88. Analyst ratings. In a recent report on Tuesday, December 13, 2022, Morgan Stanley gave ARQT a rating of overweight with a hold action. Another report on Tuesday, April 26, 2022, revealed that Zacks Investment Research downgraded ARQT with a sell grade. Arcutis Biotherapeutics stock has been given a general rating of neutral by analysts. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. Today, we'll be discussing Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. and the signals that have been identified for its stock. When analyzing the stock, we see that both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, giving a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support expected at $4.53 and $3.38 levels. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Friday, January 19, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 86.46%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Notably, the volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 117 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicating a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Arcutis Biotherapeutics. Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. has support levels just below today's level at $5.30 and $4.84. It's important to note that testing a support level carries a natural risk, as a break may cause the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, if $5.30 support is broken, the next support levels from accumulated volume will be at $4.84 and $4.56. It's worth mentioning that this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its significant volatility. The stock may experience large movements during the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a price range of $1.01 between its high and low, representing a 19.92% difference. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.27%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Arcutis Biotherapeutics, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face temporary downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios can indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 27, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $0.620. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's analyze potential day trading levels for Arcutis Biotherapeutics. Looking at the accumulated volume, we can see that there is no significant resistance above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upwards rapidly under favorable conditions. If you're considering entering a position, it would be wise to keep an eye on the volume and use it as a signal to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, Arcutis Biotherapeutics faces its first support level at $5.30. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound in the stock price. The combined average rating for Arcutis Biotherapeutics from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 12, 2024, Burnett Patrick made an insider buy of 276,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. On January 12, 2024, Burnett Patrick made an insider buy of 28,000 shares of common stock. On January 12, 2024, Edwards Larry Todd made an insider buy of 176,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. On January 12, 2024, Edwards Larry Todd made an insider buy of 28,000 shares of common stock. On January 12, 2024, Matsuda Masaru made an insider buy of 176,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 89.401. Overall, insiders purchased 3,026,868 shares and sold 140,391 shares in the last 100 trades. We highly recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $5.85, which represents a decrease of 3.46%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, leading to a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is at 77, further increasing the risk involved. It's important to note that there is a buy signal detected from a pivot bottom that occurred 6 days ago. Is Arcutis Biotherapeutics stock a good buy? We have analyzed several short-term signals and observed that the stock has broken the rising trend, indicating a stronger rate of rising. This suggests that there might be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for Arcutis Biotherapeutics Inc. stock to perform well in the short-term period. Furthermore, our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements for the last trading day and found that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 30th, we expect Arcutis Biotherapeutics to open down by $0.323 and start trading at $5.74. Before we dive into today's content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and hopes you have a beautiful day. Thank you for being here.